I am happy. I am happy.
I was happy. I was happy.
He is sad. He is sad.
He was sad. He was sad.
She is tired. She is tired.
She was tired. She was tired.
It is exciting. It is exciting.
It was exciting. It was exciting.
You are proud. You are proud.
You were proud. You were proud.
We are nervous. We are nervous.
We were nervous. We were nervous.
They are scared. They are scared.
They were scared. They were scared.
I am calm. I am calm.
I was calm. I was calm.
He is curious. He is curious.
He was curious. He was curious.
She is thirsty. She is thirsty.
She was thirsty. She was thirsty.
I am busy. I am busy.
I was busy. I was busy.
He is brave. He is brave.
He was brave. He was brave.
She is polite. She is polite.
She was polite. She was polite.
It is cold. It is cold.
It was cold. It was cold.
You are honest. You are honest.
You were honest. You were honest.
We are strong. We are strong.
We were strong. We were strong.
They are careful. They are careful.
They were careful. They were careful.
I am quiet. I am quiet.
I was quiet. I was quiet.
He is funny. He is funny.
He was funny. He was funny.
She is confident. She is confident.
She was confident. She was confident.
I am at home. I am at home.
I was at home. I was at home.
He is at school. He is at school.
He was at school. He was at school.
She is at work. She is at work.
She was at work. She was at work.
It is expensive. It is expensive.
It was expensive. It was expensive.
You are at the park. You are at the park.
You were at the park. You were at the park.
We are at the hospital. We are at the hospital.
We were at the hospital. We were at the hospital.
They are here. They are here.
They were here. They were here.
I am at the gym. I am at the gym.
I was at the gym. I was at the gym.